have actual customers from the community that bring their wrecked vehicles in, and we fix them just like they would in a body shop. They have more of a sense of ownership that way, that they're actually working on a customer car.
We get to interact with the customer on a relatively close to a daily basis, and to see the customer come in with the car fully painted and going, wow, that is cool. And it's like, yeah, I did that. And the customer's excited, and it's excited to see, that your work actually means something to somebody.
There's a lot of satisfaction when you take something that's just beat and broken and busted. We get them back to factory specs. All of our training is the same training that you're going to find in the industry.
Job security is huge. You're not going to run out of work.
People are never going to stop wrecking cars, unfortunately, but that's good job security.